Hello, beautiful people. This is your girl Alua, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to discuss the various businesses that you can do this festive season to make sure you earn something. So, before we proceed into the video, please take a moment to just hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for listening to me. So, let's get into the video. As we all know, festive seasons bring people together, and at this time, people are willing to spend money to make sure their families are doing better. So, are you somebody who spends, or are you somebody who stores money for the future? So, during this time, you can take an advantage of that and offer some services that will give people money, that will give you money. And there's so many things that you can do with your life at that time during the festive seasons, and that's what you're going to discuss about. So, the first one is offering decorating services. As we all know, during festive seasons, most people travel to the rural areas or some even in town, but people like making their home look cozy and welcoming for people. So they'll go an extra mile to make sure the house is well decorated. And if they can't decorate, they will hire somebody to do the job. Why don't you be the person to do that job for them at a fee? All you can do is get these things, and then you can even hire the items for the people. So you can be an event decorator during this festive season. The second one is event planning services. During this festive season, we have party after party. People are enjoying their life after the whole year of hard work. People just want to relax and go to different events, whether it's birthday, whether it's Christmas celebrations, and all that stuff. And people tend to have lots of events during this festive season. So you can be the one planning for the events, or you can be the one organizing the event for everybody who wants events done. Being that people are busy in this current world, but people would love to have somebody come in handy for them for such things. Then we have number three at Christmas craft. If you're talented and can craft some good clothes for people to wear during Christmas season, then you can do it. Or DIYs, you can do it and also sell. Then we have gift wrapping services. During this Christmas season, most people tend to offer gifts to their loved ones, with it family, with it friends, with it just anybody who has been so special to you. You can be the person wrapping these gifts for them at a fee. All they have to do is to buy a gift or wrap, or you can offer the gift and also wrap. So it's a win-win situation whereby you can buy the gifts for the customer and also wrap at a fee, or you can provide the different gift ideas for the people and also wrap at a fee. So Christmas wrapping idea is a way to go. Mostly in December, we are going to gift people, and if you're somebody who's going to visit friends, please don't go empty-handed. Pass by a gift wrapping store and get your people something. This is festive season. It's just good to appreciate people. The next one is making customized Christmas wrapping items. When you decide to offer wrapping services, you can even customize your wrapping services by writing the names of the people. Maybe if you're wrapping a gift to Alua, you can make an item written Alua. So it's all about customizing the different wrapping items. Then we have gift delivery services. Yes, after wrapping your gift, you can deliver. Remember, nothing is for free in this world. If you're delivering them, they should pay you for delivering them. If you're wrapping them, they should pay you for wrapping them. If you're getting it from the store, they should help you. They should pay you for getting them from the store. So nothing is free in this world, and you can offer delivery services at a fee. They can pay for your transport and something on top. Just make sure you're reliable and you deliver these items on time. So remember, you're paying for the product, or you're paying for if you're not paying for the product, then you're paying for the services, or can be the service. So make sure you play your cards well. Another business idea is Christmas cake baking services. During Christmas, we tend to celebrate, and people come together, they cut a cake for the year and for the Christmas festive season. You can offer the baking services to people. I know there's so many bakers who can do this. So please make it something that can give you money during this festive season, because we are after getting money. Another business is selling Christmas trees. I've told you that most people like decorating their places. So you can sell these Christmas trees. They come in different sizes, they come in different colors, they come in different textures. You can be the one offering all the Christmas trees services to people. And also remember, as you offer these Christmas tree services, you can go for the ones that have been planted, the cypress trees that have been planted. You don't have to just go for the plastic ones. Another business is selling Christmas decor items. As we are in the festive seasons, deco items are all over and people are buying it. Being all over doesn't mean that you're not gonna have a ready market for it. People are buying it, that's why it's all over. And they come in different styles, different sizes, different colors, and Christmas decors are just so many. So if you can start selling these things to people, you can do retail or even wholesale. If you can't do this, then why not try selling Christmas decor? Because this is the period whereby people really want to pamper their house. People want things that look nice, things that are sparkling, and all. If you can offer a variety of people, different people have different tastes, then it will be of good. So consider selling these Christmas decor pieces. I know places where you can get them in wholesale if you're willing to resell, but if you are not willing to resell, you can also buy them. Promote somebody for what it is. So promote people for what it is. So consider buying this Christmas decor. There is even curtains that lighten up. So does it. Another business is selling ice cream. Selling ice cream, we know that we are in a place whereby during Christmas season, people tend to eat nice things, sweet things, and selling ice cream can never go wrong as people want to lick something as they enjoy the festive season with their family members. So you can sell ice cream and it will go. Another thing is setting up kids bouncing castle. As we all know, during festive season, people tend to take their kids out for playing and everything. So you can set up a bouncing castle for the kids and they play and jump at a fee. It can be 200 per hour and you still get your money. Most of this one is so lucrative, guys. And the fact that you can easily hire a bouncing castle and return it. You can hire for a day, make your money, return it, or you can even hire for a week, make your money, and return it. You don't have to buy the whole thing. So consider setting up a bouncing castle this festive season, maybe in your estate, in your areas, so that you get money. Another thing is selling kids' toys. As these kids jump on the bouncing castles, they will need the toys to play with. Like it's a festive season, people are having fun, kids are enjoying life, they're there for Christmas. So I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. So get the kids' toys, let them enjoy at that age, let them cry to their parents that they want these toys. So selling kids' toys at recreational centers or even in malls where these kids have gone to play in the bouncing castles, you'll never go wrong with that. If you're looking for money, where to get money this festive season, people are out here to spend, but you're out here to save. So choose wisely what you're going for. If you're out here to save, then there you are. Do business and save. If you're out here to spend, then take kids out, buy those items that you need for Christmas, and we'll help you spend by providing the items that you need to spend on. So, yeah. So, you can put these things like kids' toys. So, what you can do, you can put the kids' toys together with the bouncing castle and still, and together with the ice cream and still earn. Another business is kids' face painting. This festive season mostly is always about family coming together and having fun and enjoying life. So, when your kids go to play, they want to paint their face, they want ice cream, they want to jump in the bouncing castle. So, you can start this face painting. You don't need much to start the face painting business. And this is a business that can run through Christmas season and beyond. As long as you have learned how to do it. Another business is team building. You can create team building for different people. You just tell them to pay a certain amount and you organize the whole thing and you let people enjoy themselves. During this festive season, most people are free and out of job and they can easily team build with each other. So if you're somebody who knows how to organize team building services, then liaise with the various tour companies and organize one for the people that you love. Not only for the people that you love, as long as you announce to people that you have a team building that is going on or that is going to take place and they need to pay a certain amount, they will come through. They will come through. The people who are just waiting for people who can organize for them things like team building and things of the sort. So if you're somebody who knows how to go about it, then why not? We're in the festive season. Organize a team building. Washa watu waende wakaenjoy maisha yao na pesa yao na kila kitu. Another thing is organizing road trips. Guys, road trips. This is the time that you can go for a road trip with your friends, with your family. But if you need somebody to organize it for you, then you need to make Google your best friend. That's why I'm telling you, if you can organize road trips for people, for various people, then it will be of good, because some people can't organize a road trip, but they are willing to spend on somebody doing it for them. So just make sure you organize a good road trip and make your charges so that you can get something in return. You know, as I do tell you guys, if you're not paying for the product, then you are the product. My friend Charana Media told me that someday. Actually, in his videos, I've always seen him talk about something of the sort, and I've really learned a lot from it. So, kama hujalipia product, then you are the product. And another thing, you pay for your services. So, just quote your price. Kuna wenye watafikia hiyo price yenye umequote. And then kuna wenye watabargain. So, just quote your price and be open-minded. There is a market for everybody. So guys, that's basically the different businesses that you can do. And thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye.